Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and I also share my daily analysis on the important currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, Euro British Pound, etc. So in this video I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro British Pound for 4th March 2021 Thursday. Okay, so this video is for Thursday only. Tomorrow I'll be coming again with tomorrow's analysis. And I apologize for not having a professional background and setup. I'm doing this video from the comfort of my home. Okay. So let's jump into the chart. So if you watched my previous video or yesterday's video, then probably you remember that I told you about the volatility of the market or the missing volatility, and we can see that the volatility is still missing. There was a big fall, okay, and from this point 85641, this from this price level market tried to go up and market made a high of 8729. Okay, and after the market came down, and after that we were not sure whether market will go up or market will go down, because though this uptrend was strong enough, but overall trend was down. Okay, let me show you. Okay, just look at the overall trend. Okay, overall trend was down, so we were not sure. Okay, that's why I told you to wait for the confirmation, wait for the volatility, and the volatility is still missing from the market. Okay, so in this type of consolidating market we need to stay away from the market. So let's switch to the 4 hours time frame to get a clear picture. Okay, this is the 4 hours time frame and you can see how big the fall was. Okay, see, from here market started falling from 92030, 0.92030, and ultimately came and reversed from 8578. Okay, just look at this fall. So this is just a part of a, you can say, consolidation. Okay, and from generally or in under general some circumstances, what happens is that market makes a small high like this, and from there market again starts falling. But if you remember correctly, there is a support available at this price level, this 8560 level. There is a support available. In this level there is a support available, so we are not sure whether market will again fall or not. So there is a chance that market may reverse from here also. Okay. So in that case, what do we need to do? Okay, again, just like yesterday, we need to wait for these these two price levels. Okay, these two are the important price levels, and they still exist. And because the volatility is missing, and without volatility we cannot make money from the market. Okay, a traders main thing that we look for is volatility. If there is no volatility, then we cannot make money. It becomes very tough for us to earn money. So the first level that you need to look for is 8727, this level, or 8730 level, okay, on the upside, and 85 this 8537 level, 85 sorry 8537 on the downside. If market comes down and hits this particular point, you just need to observe carefully how market is reacting. If market slips here, okay, then wait for the market to make some big red candles. Okay, just wait for the volume to come, then only short the market. And in case market reverses from here, because there was a support available, okay, so market may reverse from here also. So in that case, again wait for volume, again wait for good price rejection like this. Okay, then only go for a buy order. Okay, and your target will be this 8731. And in case market goes up and hits this level, 8730 level, then see how market is reacting, or how the price is reacting. If market faces resistance and show you some price rejection like this, or a shooting star pattern like this, then you can short the market. In case market crosses the level and gives a breakout, then let the market settle above the resistance for 1 hour. Let the market trade comfortably. Okay, let the resistance become the support, then only buy. Okay, so these two are the important levels. And as of now market isn't having no trend. Market is just the volatility is missing, so just stay away from the market and just wait for the market to go either to this level or come to this level. Okay, these two are the perfect levels where you should execute your trade. So this is the simple analysis for Euro GBP for 4th March 2021 Thursday. Hopefully you have liked it and found it informative. And if you found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. If you would like to see the other analysis for today, then you can also check the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. Okay. And please subscribe for regular market analysis. Thank you so much and good luck.